Okay. If you need to know how to submit or do an electronic signature, this is the easy way. Here's how I would do it. Let's see, do we have one on here? Nope. Okay, let me get another syllabus. Let's see, here we go. Okay, I would just do this. Get rid of, highlight all this. Get rid of all this. Oops. Things can be tricky. It's going to be one of those days. All right, I would do this, get rid of all this. Whoop. Delete all that. So I only had this. How you can do it is go up here to the signature, or the font rather, and scroll down. There's some of them. Let's see there. All right. So where it just shows. There's one that I use all the time. Where is it? Is it handwriting? It might be handwriting. Let me see. Sorry to be going so fast. I'm sure you're dizzy now. See, you could do this one. Okay. Telic. There is one that I use all the time, but of course, when I need it, it's not coming up. All right. Let's see. Handwriting. See if one comes up. Nope. Nope. Ah, here we go. Lucinda handwriting. Right there. Then you just student name here. Okay. You'll actually type in your name there. You can underline. Okay. All right. Oops. So you could just type your name there. Then put the student name here also. Okay. Put your name here. Student name. Go to the handwriting one. You can insert the date that you sign it right here. The formal date is that one. Okay, you can back to home, underline it, and save it. And click save. There you go. And then just submit it to me. Okay? Let me know if you need help. Good luck.